guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited to share my very first shopping experience and haul. So I did purchase a piece or two from Cartier. I'm gonna take you along shopping with me. Obviously this is me after shopping, but I did some vlogging, so let's go to Ala Moana Shopping Center at Cartier. Hey guys, so today I am actually going to Cartier. I'm gonna get my new pieces to start my stack. Hey guys, so I am in Cartier. We're in our little room. We are getting ready to start my appointment. I have my Birkin 30. I have my husband, Sean. Okay, we are super excited. We are at Ala Moana Cartier. Let's go. Just got something.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you're new here, my name is Tarina. I post videos about luxury fashion, lifestyle, travel videos. I have some coming up internationally this year, so please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel below. Let's be friends on Instagram. And finally, I did start a TikTok. I'm starting from scratch, so please be friends with me there. I'd love to meet all of you. I'm a little self-conscious about it. I do have a giveaway, a Louis Vuitton giveaway coming up that I will be announcing officially on my TikTok. So follow me here. All right, guys, so we are back. Thank you for joining me in store. I tried to vlog as much as I could to show you some of the pieces that I got to try on. Thank you so much to my amazing SA, Erica. She is awesome. She took really good care of Sean and I in person at the Cartier Ala Moana boutique here on Oahu. Okay, so let's just do a unboxing haul of the pieces that I got. This is the very start of my Cartier stack. I know a lot of you already have some really beautiful pieces. I have personally wanted Cartier for many, many years and finally bit the bullet. So let's get into it. Okay, so in this bag, we have a number of things here. First, we have my receipt. So the receipt comes in this really gorgeous red Cartier receipt pouch, red with the signature gold. So that's just my proof of purchase. We also have some pouches here. So a couple of pouches. So it says Cartier on it. And little pillows, so if that gives you a hint. So we will talk about that at the end. My amazing SA, again, Erica gave me a to-go little Cartier champagne. It's so cute. Thank you again, Erica. We also have a box here, little pull box. What is in here? Again, I'm such a noob. I don't know what's in here. So this is it's a lotion. So it's a liquid lotion for jewelry and watches to kind of keep your pieces clean. There is a cleaning cloth in here. And also it comes with a little brush. I've never seen this. I don't know if it's like showing up on the camera, but tiny little brush so you can clean it if it needs regular cleaning. My two, again, a hint, my two certificates. So every Cartier piece that I'm aware of comes with the official certificate and paperwork. It comes in this red pouch, Cartier, And then I'm not going to show it on camera because it is unique to each piece. And it has a serial stamp number, the date of purchase, and it has an official stamp of the location boutique that you purchased it from. So super excited to have those official documents. Let's get to the stars of the show. So I have 2 boxes. They come in these beautiful white wrapped packages with the red Cartier liquid stamp. It's so gorgeous. All right, let's get into it. I don't know which one I'm going to open first. Let's go with the bigger box. So again, a little receipt. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to mess up the wrapping, but let's do it. These pieces are meant to be loved and worn. Okay, so take this sticker off. Any guesses? So I did get 2 pieces. Put your guesses, pause this video, put your guesses down in the box below. Let me know what you think I got. I don't even know which one this is, but let's unbox it. Ooh. Ah, I feel like it needs the little like angels in the background singing. Ooh. And we're gonna open to reveal. Dun 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 dun. That was my lame attempt. So this is the Cartier small just unclue bracelet with diamonds. It is so pretty. I will include some close-up shots. This is super gorgeous. I've always loved the just unclue. If I know this correctly, it translates in French to just a nail. So it literally looks like a nail is wrapped around your wrist. I got the small, thinner version with the diamonds on the front. So that is my very first piece. I am super excited to add this to my collection. And we have one more piece to unbox. Any guesses on the second box? All you Cartier lovers, let me know, like, do you have a stack, a collection? Are you lusting after starting one? I've lusted for many, many years, and that's okay too. Luxury is meant for everyone, and even if you have it in your collection, or if you don't, we all are interested in the same things. I think that's what makes us really fun, and just our passion and things that we like to look at. So if you have one or not, it doesn't matter. Let's all connect and like talk about things that we're excited about. Second box, same red Cartier box. Then it opens. Look how gorgeous. It comes with the red gold detail. To reveal, my second piece, which is the Cartier Love bracelet, the regular size or width with the 4 diamonds. I am in awe of both of these pieces. So gorgeous. I love both of them. Again, I don't need to go on and on. I'm sure all of you are very aware and have seen both of these collections, the Cartier Love bracelet, Love collection, and the Cartier Just Unclue, Just a Nail. What do you guys think of my purchases? Do you folks have a preference between the 2 collections, Just Unclue, Cartier Love? What do you prefer? And if you have them, does one wear better than the other? Do you have any recommendations for me? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you're lusting after next, or what, if you could get one piece from Cartier, what would that be? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Before we leave, I do want to do one last plug. I will be formally launching another giveaway of this beauty. It's something from Louis Vuitton. So please follow me on my socials. So subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Follow me here on Instagram at Tarina Monty, and follow my brand new TikTok, Tarina Monty, and I will be announcing this giveaway very soon. I will share the new piece, and how you can enter. It's gonna be pretty easy. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a beautiful day right now, and I wish you all a beautiful week ahead. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.